In this video, I'll show you how to install VisualV graphics mod in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so personally, VisualV is one of the best graphics mod for GTA 5 because instead of completely changing the game's art style, it improves the original visuals while still keeping the game looking like vanilla GTA 5. And the best part, of course, it doesn't tank your FPS as much as other visual mod. So in this video, I'll show you how to install it. But before we start, take note that this graphics mod is for GTA 5 story mode only. Do not use VisualV while playing GTA Online. Rockstar can detect modified game files, so always remove your mods or use separate clean installation before going to GTA Online. Alright, to start, let's download VisualV itself. You can go to gta5mods.com and search for VisualV, or you can just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you here. Currently, VisualV is available for the Enhanced and the Legacy version of GTA 5. So if you want to install for Enhanced or Legacy, this step will be similar. But for this video, I'll show you how to install the Legacy one. But as I said, the Enhanced will be similar. I'll explain the difference later. So just click download and then select your game version. I'll download the Legacy one. So just hit download again, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. Hit save and the download will start. Alright, now we can go back to the main page, and if we scroll down, there is an installation guide. So for the legacy version, you will need to install OpenIV and install ASI Loader and OpenIV ASI. Now for GTA 5 Enhanced, you cannot do that because OpenIV is not compatible yet with GTA 5 Enhanced. So you have to install OpenRPF. But it's not really complicated, just download OpenRPF and install it on your GTA 5. Just like that. So yeah, because I want to install it for the legacy one, I need to download OpenIV. So you can go to OpenIV.com or just click the link in the description and then hit download now and save it somewhere on your PC. Just like that. After you finish downloading, you can go to your downloads folder and now you'll have VisualV in a zip file and the OpenIV setup. To start installing, you also need your GTA 5 main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to these paths on the screen, which is the default location. So if you install GTA 5 on the default location, you will find it there. But if for some reason you cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. On Epic Games Launcher, you can go to Library and then look for your GTA 5 or GTA 5 Enhanced if you want to install it for GTA 5 Enhanced. And then you want to click the three dots on the right, go to Manage, and then click the folder icon and it will open up the install location. On Steam, you can do the same. Go to Library, look for your GTA 5, Legacy or Enhanced, right click, go to Manage, and then hit Browse Local Files. Now that you have your GTA 5 main directory, we can start installing. So let's start with OpenIV because to install VisualV, we need OpenIV. So let's double click on it. It'll open up the setup, select English and hit continue, read the license agreement, hit I accept if you do and hit continue again. For this, you don't need to change anything. Hit continue again and you'll be asked to download some necessary files. 20 megabytes for me, hit yes, and it'll start downloading and installing OpenIV on your PC. After the installation is done, you can close this and launch OpenIV. So let's use Windows search, OpenIV, open it up, and then you'll see this at the start. So you're gonna select GTA 5 Windows and you need to locate your GTA 5 install location. I assume you already have it. Copy the path at the top, right click, hit copy, and then go back to OpenIV, click browse, paste the path here, and hit select folder. It will locate your GTA5.exe, and now you can click continue. Alright, so we're in, and the first thing you need to do is to enable edit mode. On the top right, hit edit mode, and then click yes. If this is the first time you install OpenIV, you'll see this message over here. You need to install the plugin. So just click here, or if you don't see it for some reason, you can click tools at the top, go to ASI Manager, and this is the files that we need from OpenIV. So you need to install ASI Loader, OpenIV ASI. It will create a mods folder. Don't change anything here. Hit yes, and then you can also install Open Camera. Just like that, and the setup is done. Now you can minimize OpenIV and we can start installing VisualV. It's in a zip file, so to open it, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click and select extract all, and then hit extract again, and you'll have it in a folder. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. So we have three folders over here. The first one is installation via mod package. This is the install files. There's also optionals folder, and there's original files, just in case you want to uninstall. Alright, let's open up the installation folder, and inside it, you'll have an OpenIV file. Now you can double click on it and open it up with OpenIV, but what you can do also is just drag this file onto OpenIV just like this, and it'll open up the package installer. From here, just hit install and then choose the mods folder if available. Always do that, and then you need to confirm the installation. Hit confirm and the installation will start. Now you just need to wait for it to finish. After the installation is done, VisualV is fully installed on your GTA 5. Now if you close this and go back, there is an optional folder. So let's open it up, and here if you want, you can install the optional add-ons. There's advanced motion blur, dynamic shadows, ENB settings, So to install them, let's check advanced motion blur. And basically for all of the optionals, there will be a readme and you can read it to know exactly how to install it. So for advanced motion blur, you just need to put it into your main GTA 5 directory. It's pretty simple. So let's go ahead and do that. Advanced motion blur, ASI and INI, select them and drag and drop it into your GTA 5 just like that. And that's done. That's basically how you install them. For example, this optionals has an OpenIV file, and to install it, it's gonna be the same as well, like we just did before with the main installer of VisualV. You need to open it up with OpenIV, drag and drop it into OpenIV, just like that. You'll open up the package installer, hit install, select mods folder, hit install again, and it will start installing. Now with the ASI and INI file, most of the time, you just need to put it into your GTA 5 main directory, just like that, and that's done. So I'm not gonna install everything. So let's go back, open up the original files folder. If you want to uninstall VisualV, you can use this just like we used the other installer. So open up with OpenIV and it will uninstall VisualV. Alright, now we're done installing VisualV, and before you launch GTA 5, you need to disable the anti-cheat, so you're not going to GTA Online and risk getting banned. To do that, on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to Settings, and here look for Better Lie and just uncheck it, so the anti-cheat will turn off. After you do that, you can launch GTA 5 like normal. Alright, we're in the game now, and if you install everything correctly, you will notice that your GTA 5 looks more realistic. And also in my case, my FPS is still good. I don't feel any FPS decrease, so it's amazing. And that's basically it for this video. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.